I think that's why I love my mom, boy. I'm telling you, because what it was as we aged, she started really speaking to us, like talking with us, conversing with us, and that's like breaking down.
She was also like, you know, doing her best to be a good person, especially because she had raised 4 kids. But like, so she not fucking sitting through her fucking demons doing all this extra dumb shit in life that people that like other parents was doing.
Nah, and that's.
And then they come to you with that energy, like, you should have never been a kid. I'm like, wait, hold on, what? And like, I don't even know what I'm doing right now.
What amazes me though is being by yourself doing that.
That's what I'm saying. Like, her being by herself, you have to like be at a certain discipline level so that you're not gonna attack your kids a certain way.
She didn't have that energy. She didn't drink. She didn't do anything. She went to work, came home, and raised us.
Facts.
And she put all of her effort and energy into that, into giving us something to look up to, towards, and admire. And I do even more every day. I think about, you know what I'm saying, how she approached parenting, and I'm like, it's so critical. It's crazy how critical it is, the way you parent and the way you treat your children. And as we aged, at that point of being able to really talk to her, she explained her reason for the way she was, her reason for approaching things the way she did, and what she wanted to do different, things that she didn't necessarily like as a kid, that her parent, you know what I'm saying, her mom was doing, that she understood, but she also was like, I'm not gonna do that shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, being able to consciously make the decision to say, you know what, let me take this one out of the book. I don't think it's necessary.
Word, let's just crumple that up.
You know what I mean? And it's not to put it's not a knock to.
Yeah.
It's just to say we have a better understanding today and now of ourselves. And we still don't have a true understanding of anything.
Yeah, shit is
for
just
real.
everywhere, bro.
That